have a phone. Big blue eyes. Blue eyes. Baby fly. Blue eyes. Elton John song.
This fall, Dr. Michael Holt will experience something medicine can't explain.
Aww. Are you talking to Grandma?
Always talking. Well, not always, but yeah. Yeah. Tell me a story. Tell me a story. Come on, tell me a story. Tell me a story. Tell me about your visit with Grandpa yesterday. Come on, tell me. Yeah. Ooh. Ooh. Boo. A boo. A boo.
Aww.
Boo. Boo. What a good boy you are. What a good boy you are. You like that, don't you? Yeah, I don't know, something with the cheek.
Yeah, it's always when he's smiling and laughing.
Yeah. Oh, no, 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 you don't. No, you don't. Yeah.
Hey, it's me. Hey. You heard. I feel so bad for you and Billy. Is there anything I can do? Do you want me to come over? No. Listen, I appreciate it.
Look how you stop doing that with you. Makes Grandma want to do it. You know, Yanni's contagious, right? Right, you do know that. You're doing it on purpose, aren't you? Ooh, really?
You're talking a lot today.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bubbles.
Summer will be fine. Once she spends time with Lucy,
Hiccups.
she'll be fine. She'll adjust.
Baby got hiccups. Oh.